Welcome back to our channel. I'm Christopher, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about vehicle service information. Well, stick around because, in this video, we're going to be exploring the ins and outs of today's topic: car service information, and answering all your questions. So, there you have it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and let's dive into today's topic. Before starting our discussion, I have a question which is related to today's topic. What do you need to do to maintain a vehicle? I want to hear your thoughts and opinions on it. So, what are your thoughts on what you need to do to maintain a vehicle? Have you ever had a similar experience? I'd love to hear about it. Your comments and feedback mean so much to me, and I love hearing from you all. So, please leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Thanks again. Now continue with today's question. If you are the owner of the car or maintenance service man, it is important to regularly maintain the vehicle. This is the best way for you to prevent deterioration. If you're a car owner, having regular checks and keeping a lot will be very beneficial. Good maintenance will save you a lot of money and ensure your safety while using your vehicle. If you've already tried working on cars, you'll know that repairs can cost a lot of money. That's why it's better to perform preventive maintenance to catch issues early on. Just like you, your car needs regular checkups. Have tire pressure checked. Change the oil, and have your vehicle inspected regularly. Here are other ways you can employ to maintain your vehicle. Read the owner's manual of your car. If you purchased a new car, it will come with an owner's manual. It will contain the recommended maintenance schedule. Manufacturers include helpful information in the manual. This includes how often you should 1. Change the oil. 2. The filters. 3. Timing belts, and more. You'll also know what kind of oil to use to keep your vehicle running. Although a lot of people ignore manuals with vehicles, that isn't very wise. Read the owner's manual so you know exactly how to use your new car. Of course, you would already know how to drive the car. But learning all about the vehicle is also crucial. You can only do this by comprehensively reading the manual. Recognize the importance of preventive maintenance. Experienced car users know that car repairs can cost a lot of money. The sad thing is, you could have done more to prevent the problems in the first place. Preventive maintenance is one of the best things you can do to save yourself a lot of money. You may not feel it right away, but this will be good for you in the long run. In my next video, I'll be talking about some points about car preventive maintenance, and it's something that I'm really passionate about. I'll be sharing some tips and tricks that I've learned. I think you'll really enjoy. So be sure to subscribe to my channel or turn on notifications so you're the first to know when the video is live. Thanks for your support, and I can't wait to share this new video with you all.